Hey guys, today we're doing our second Crafternoon series. So today we're going to be making clay earrings, magnets, basically whatever you want. We're going to do some oven baked clay and we'll just see what we make. So before everyone got here, I just set the table up with everything we're going to need. So I have the different types of clay, some cutting boards, some things to roll the clay out, cookie cutters, all the different jewelry findings, and some knives. And I'm just going to make a few snacks and keep it really simple and just have drinks out and put a little snack in the middle of the table. Yeah, and then it's all good to go. You can have your friends over and get started. I did that last time. It scared me so bad.
Okay, does that even look good?
Alright, 1, 2.
Why do we have to count?